today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your ClickUp personal API token. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully, as this token allows you to integrate ClickUp with other tools or applications and unlocks powerful automation capabilities. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. You can do this by typing ClickUp into your search engine and selecting the first result. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click it to proceed. Here, you'll see multiple options for logging in, but for this video, we'll focus on using Google for simplicity. Click on Sign In with Google, and you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Make sure to select the account associated with your ClickUp profile to avoid any issues. After signing in, you'll land on your ClickUp dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your tasks, spaces, and projects. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner where your profile picture or initials are displayed. Click on this to open a drop-down menu, and from there, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, scroll until you find the option labeled ClickUp API. Clicking on this will bring up your personal API token. This token is essentially a secure key that allows external applications to communicate with your ClickUp account. It's important to keep this token secure. Only copy it to trusted applications, as anyone with access can perform actions within your ClickUp account according to your token's permissions. Click the copy button to save it to your clipboard, and now it's ready to be pasted wherever you need it. Remember, you can always regenerate your API token if you suspect it's been compromised or want to refresh your integrations. Checking your API token settings regularly is a good practice to maintain security. And there you have it. Accessing your ClickUp API token is simple once you know where to look. This small but mighty token can enhance your productivity by enabling seamless integration between ClickUp and the other tools you use daily. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating.